About this item: office chair mat for hardwood floor. This 36x47 office chair mat is made of 0.16 thick polyester, 100% polyester, and PE adhesive film. It reduces the noise of rolling chairs, protects your hardwood floors from damage by hard chair wheels, and saves you the expensive cost of repairing hardwood or laminate. Easy to use and remove. Remember to clean the floor and tear off the PE film on office chair mat before using. The back of the office chair mat is made of reusable viscose fiber, which fits your floor perfectly. It can also be easily removed when you want to store it. There will be no residue left on your floor. The adsorption effect does not diminish when used. Again, firmly fixed and non-slip. The back of the office chair mat is made of an adhesive and adsorbed material that makes it non-slip and stays firmly on the floor, not easily moved by the sliding of the chair, eliminating the need to repeatedly adjust the position of the mat and providing you with a natural, quiet, and calm working environment. Room decor and free. Cutting the office chair mat for home can enhance your room decor and add beauty to your home. The office chair mat is cuttable and can be freely cut into different sizes just according to your needs, such as a living room chair mat, kitchen table floor mat, or fitness equipment floor mat, etc. Easy to clean and reliable customer care. The office chair mat is really easy to clean. Just vacuum up the